Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to open a Winrar file without password. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area on your desktop. This gives you quick access to basic file creation options and is the easiest place to start this process without affecting your system files. Step 2. Click on New and then select Text Document. This creates a blank file that will later be used to store the recovery script needed for the process. Step 3. Open the new text document by double-clicking it so you can start adding the required code inside the file. Step 4. Copy the code from the article linked in the video description. This code is essential because it runs commands that attempt to recover the Winrar password. Step 5. Paste the copied code into the text document, making sure all the lines are pasted correctly without missing or extra characters. Step 6. Edit the RAR installation path in the code to match your computer. This is important so the script can correctly locate the Winrar program installed on your system. Step 7. Click on File in the top menu and select Save As. This allows you to change how the file is saved and make it executable. Step 8. Change the file extension from .txt to .bat. This converts the text file into a batch file that Windows can run as a command script. Step 9. Click Save to confirm the changes and make sure the file is saved on your desktop for easy access. Step 10. Double-click the save.bat file. This starts the password recovery process using the commands written in the script. Step 11. Type the RAR file name and its full file path when prompted, so the script knows exactly which locked file to work on. Step 12. Press the Enter key and wait for the process to complete. This may take some time depending on the password length and complexity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides like this.